A warm greetings to all, and in this video we are going to see a concept from the course Python programming. In the Python programming course we are dealing with the unit number 2 said to be functions, and here we are going to see the concept of strings. Now let's see what is meant by a string. String is one of a data type which comes under the category said to be sequence. So string can be defined as a sequence of characters, that is alphabetic characters, and they are enclosed in quotes, that is the characters can be enclosed within single quotes, or it can be enclosed in double quotes, or it can be enclosed in triple quotes. The string is nothing but a collection of characters, alphabetic characters. So here each and every string characters or the individual characters in the string data type can be indexed by using an index value. A real number or an integer value will be given for each and every character said to be 0, that is starting from 0. The index numbering can be from positive integer or it can be of negative integer values. The indexing will be starting from 0 to n minus 1, that is it will be starting from 0 till the number of characters minus 1. For example, if there are 5 characters in a string, the indexing will be starting from 0 to 5 minus 1, that is 0 to 4. Totally 5 characters will be there, but the indexing will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, totally 5. And also here the strings are immutable, that is once if a string is being declared, the contents which are being present inside that string, that is the characters which are present in that string cannot be changed. Okay, so once if we create a string, we will not be able to change the characters in that string data type. And also here in Python programming language, the default value given as the result will be a string. The default values, whatever values which are being given from the Python will be considered as a string. And here the Python is not supporting the character data type. Okay, in other programming languages we have the data type said to be character, but in case of Python programming language, the character data type is not supported. And the string with a single character can be treated as a character. Okay, a string having the size of 4, that is only if a string data type contains only one character or only one alphabetic letter, then we can treat it as a character, but it is not a pure character, also a string data type. So here in the screen you can see a string indexing. Okay, so here in the top we can see the string, that is HELLO. Okay, hello, it contains totally of 5 characters. So in the positive indexing process, the indexing will be starting from the letter 0. So here at the initial stage you can see the letter to be 0. Second letter is at the index to be 1. Third letter the indexing is 2. Fourth it is 3, and the final or the last letter it is 4. Totally 5 characters. As told earlier in the explanation, indexing will be starting from 0 to n minus 1. Here we can see totally 5 characters are there. So the indexing is from 0 to n minus 1, that is 0 to 4. And also we have told that the negative indexing is also be possible in case of string data type. So here the negative indexing will be starting from right hand side to left hand side. So here you can see the positive indexing, the starting 0 letter is starting from left hand side to right hand side. Here the negative indexing will be from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, so the last letter will be getting the indexing value of -1. The previous letter, the L, will be of -2. The second L is -3. E takes the negative indexing set to be -4, and the H takes the negative indexing set to be -5. Okay, so this is the process of indexing a string. Next we shall see the length function. Okay, so length is one of the important function which is used in the string, that is it is used in the data type string. Okay, here we can see we are assigning a string set to be fruit and it carries the value banana. Here you can see we are using the length function. So length of fruit, which gives the number of character present in that string set to be 6. Okay, fruit is equal to banana. The total number of characters present in that particular string banana is 6. Okay, so here to get the last letter of the string. Okay, so to get the last letter of the string, colloquially we will think that since the string contains 6 characters totally, if you give the index to be 6, we will be getting the last letter, but it is not, because in the indexing we told that the last letter of the string data type will be getting the index to be the total number of characters in the string minus 1. Here the total number of character is 6. So the last letter A will be having the index set to be 5. Okay. And here, so if you need to get the last index value, then what you can do is you can subtract the length of the string. That is totally 6 is the character present in that string. So you can reduce a value 1. Okay, so that what will be happening, 6 minus 1 is 5. So total 5 letter, right? So fifth index, that is the last index 5. By using that 5, you can take out that value or you can spot the last value. Okay, so here we can see a demo of it. So here I have taken a IDLE of Python. So here we can check the string concept. Okay, so I am giving the variable name to be string and equal to, here I am giving the word set to be hello. Okay, so it is hello, right? So now I am printing, or I am calling the variable name string, so that what happens, the value which is carried or values which is assigned to the variable string is been displayed here. You can see it is hello. Okay, so now we shall check the index of each and every character. So string of 0. So here the string of 0 will be returning the first letter of the string data type. Okay, so here the first letter will be hello. Okay, similarly, so here you can see totally 5 letters are there. If you put 5 or if you put the index number 5, you will be getting a error message. So here you can see index error, that is index is out of range. Since we know that positive indexing will be from 0 to n minus 1. Total 5 letters are there. So the last index will be 4. That is 5 minus 1. It is 4. So we shall test it. String of 4, which is equal to 4. Clear. And similarly, negative indexing. So here we told that the negative indexing will be starting from the right hand side to the left hand side. So if you use minus 1, the last value will be displayed to you. So here the last value is O, so the O will be displayed to you. Similarly, if you put minus 5, you will be getting the first letter as the output. Okay, so this is the process of indexing in string. And now we shall test the length function. So here you can give length of string. So here you will be getting the total number of characters in this particular string set to be string. Okay, so string, the value is hello. So here you are getting the length of the string to be 5. Okay, so suppose if you need to get the last letter the same way, okay, you have to minus it. That is the length of the string minus 1, so that you will be getting the last index value. Okay, I hope you all understood the concept here. Thank you.